Hello viewer. Well, it's time to do the last of this bit here, that central wall and the animal pens on that side. So let's get to it. Oh, before we start, please like and subscribe. got a couple of bits of wood that we can reuse. I'll take those up into the pig pen. But the rest of this has all been burnt too badly or degraded, woodworm, rot, whatever. So that'll go to the déchetterie, to the dump. I'll get rid of this. See you in a minute. Well, I've saved about as much as I can possibly save. The rest of it's too far gone. So I'm going to shut you down now. Here we are in the pig pen. So you just saw me take those two posts that you can see there. And looking over here, I took a couple of long pieces as well. So all of these pieces here have been scavenged from that burnt out shed or various other places, possibly the frames surrounding the lean-to on the colombage. Those ones up the end there, they're pretty good. 6 inch per 6 inch, 15 centimetre per 15 centimetre. So they'll be quite useful, and they don't seem to have woodworm or anything like that. I probably will give all of the wood in here a good coating of woodworm killer pretty quickly. This is the harvest of tiles from the roof space. There's 203 there in two different styles. You can see this style here and this style here. Not quite sure what the difference is, but there's some of one and lots of the other. There's also some slates that I brought back from the other place. So we need quite a lot of slates here. And that's one of those really useful green crates. Having said that I need a lot of slates, I nipped back to the other house and picked up a load of spares that we've got over there. And here you can see me trudging with a couple of crates of those slates. I had to scrape off all of the mud that was on the slates because they'd just been stored on the ground, and they are very, very heavy when you've got a whole crate's worth of them. That's why I'm struggling to get up the hill. Anyway, I thought I'd bring them over, stack them neatly in the pig pen, and get them ready for when we need them.